have Essence goodies. Come pre-pack with me as I load up my suitcase because I'm about to go home, baby. So Juvia's Place had a beautiful PR box, and I wanted... particular order, I'm gonna open these up and just give y'all a peek of what's inside before I pack them in my suitcase. So Juvia's Place is up first. This is a lip collection, very cute. We have the mints. I guess I ain't gotta read them to y'all. Y'all know how to read. Oh, this is really cute. This whole package is beautiful. Got a blender. Ooh, I've been wanting this one. They're liquid lipsticks. They're lipsticks and liners. I am such a fan. I actually have my own Juvia's Place because it's the main carrier of what, not main carrier. Juvia's Place is one of my favorite makeup brands, and I actually have a lot of Juvia's Place myself. So my favorite palette of all time is this one right here. You can tell that it's coming down to the bone with these three. Like, I use the out of this, but it's very, I love Juvia's Place because it's very beginner friendly. Yeah, Juvia's cream blush and this Juvia's palette is what I wear all spring and summer. I love it so much. As you can see, lip liner that I pair with my signature red lip is a Juvia's Place. So getting a Juvia's Place box, love it. Baskin Lather, which I was able to meet the owner, and she's such a sweetheart. She gifted me with the entire line of her amazing hair care products. And I'm very excited to start this oil on my edges. Y'all know my edges they there, but they're trying to get away. So that's Baskin Lather. LYS gave the cute tote and then a little sample. Now, y'all, let me tell you how Kensington Gray and GU throw a party. They had products just out for you to grab whatever you wanted. And the girlies grabbed. So did I. So they had full Juvia's Place. Look at this beautiful palette. Cute hat. They also had a light that I'm using right now, which I really came in handy. I always bring a backup light in my bag, but mine's died. I was like, no. So I love that they had a backup one. And then I grabbed a bunch of CoverGirl products. CoverGirl was another sponsor of theirs. So I grabbed some lippies, some mascara. They had these cute little water bottles. Y'all know I love a water bottle. And then these cute fans. I already showed y'all what was in my Disney Parks bag. Just scroll down, but I'm going to do a separate video again on this because it was just so adorable. So cute. And last but not least, I've already done this one as well, but I'm still really excited about this Stanley with shea butter on it. Like, the intentionality this year. Come on now. All right. It's time to take the wig off and start packing. Until next year, Essence Fest. Bye.